Hello and welcome back. In this lesson, we'll be learning about adjectives and how to use them in sentences. Adjectives are words that describe or modify nouns, such as good, bad, good and bad. So let's start off with some simple adjectives. When describing the noun, the adjectives generally appear immediately before the noun. Colours are usually used as adjectives. So let's take a look at some. Here we have red. Here we have blue, purple, orange, green, and yellow. Purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. So these are colours. And again, we can use them as adjectives. So, for example, we have a pretty girl. A pretty girl. Beautiful flowers. Beautiful flowers. Warm soup. Warm soup. A big cup of tea. And blue socks. Blue socks. Descriptive words can describe size, age, beauty, temperature, origin, etc. Basically, any way of describing a person or object. What about the opposites? The opposites. Some adjectives can have an opposite meaning. These are formed by adding the following prefixes: un, in, in, or dis, dis. First of all, let's take a look at un. So first, we can have clear, clear, and then we can have unclear, unclear. We can have common, which is this. This rock is common. Or we can have uncommon, uncommon, like a diamond. Important. The Queen is important. She is unimportant. This person is aware. This person is unaware. Something is believable or unbelievable. Unbelievable. We can also use in with some words, such as correct or incorrect. Incorrect. Complete, complete, or incomplete. Incomplete. Comparable, so comparable, or incomparable. Incomparable. Expensive, so the diamond is expensive. This rock is inexpensive, inexpensive. We can use dis, D-I-S. So this person is able, this person is disable. Content, discontent. Assemble, disassemble. Similar, dissimilar. So we can also use more than one adjective at the same time. If more than one adjective is used, they should appear in a set order, and the order is this: the size or shape, then the age, then the color, then the origin, and then the material. So shape, size, then age, then color, then origin, and then material. So let's have a look at some examples. So a small, white house. So the size, shape, color, and material. A beautiful black Italian leather bag. A beautiful black Italian leather bag. A big warm cup of tea. A big warm cup of tea. Spicy Indian food. Spicy Indian food. So we can also have adjectives for groups. When an adjective describes a class or group of people, it acts as a noun, so a name. So for example, the old, the young, the homeless, the poor, the rich. And when we use them in sentences, it starts at the beginning. So the rich have all the money. The old love to watch television. So we've got the old, the young, the homeless, the poor, and the rich. So we've got comparative and superlative adjectives. So adjectives can be used to compare two or more things. So comparative adjectives compare two things, and superlative adjectives compare more than two things. So this would be comparing between these two, and then this would be comparing between all of them. Commonly, adjectives that contain only one syllable or end in Y use ER to form comparatives and EST to form superlatives. For adjectives ending in Y, change the Y to I before adding the ER or EST. So for example, we have the adjective ER, and the adjective EST. So let's use the adjective small. If it's the comparative, you add ER and you get smaller. Then you get the smallest. So let's have a look at some examples. We have short, shorter, shortest. This person is short, this person is shorter, and this person is the shortest. This girl is close, this girl is closer, and this girl is closest. This light is bright, these lights are brighter, and this light is brightest. This person is young, this person is younger, and this person is the youngest. This man is old, this man is older, and this man is the oldest. This man is tall, this man is taller, and this man is the tallest. This lady is pretty, this lady is prettier than her, and this lady is the prettiest. Pencil A is long, pencil B is longer than pencil A, and pencil C is the longest. Adjectives with 2 or more syllables do not change, but instead add more to form comparatives and most to perform superlatives. For example, here we have beautiful, and then we have more beautiful, and then we have most beautiful. So she is beautiful, she is more beautiful than her, and she is the most beautiful. This seat is comfortable, this seat is more comfortable than this seat, and this seat is the most comfortable. So, this is difficult, this is more difficult, and this is the most difficult. Some adjectives just have different forms of comparatives and superlatives, so they don't follow any rules. For example, good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, little, less, least. The word than is used in comparative sentences. For example, Jane is prettier than Mary. Jane is prettier than Mary. Jenny is shorter than her sister. Jenny is shorter than her sister. John is bigger. John is bigger than Mike. So John is bigger than Mike. The word the is used in superlative sentences. So Richard is the tallest in the class. So Richard is the tallest in the class. Spiders are the scariest bug. Spiders are the scariest bug. Black is the darkest color. Black is the darkest color. Thank you very much.